now we can see that our website is visible. It is rendered on the screen. So here comes our carbon footprint tracker website. This website designed to revolutionize environmental impact management. Our platform empowers users to monitor and reduce their carbon emission effectively. So basically the prime motto of the carbon footprint tracker website is to provide solution to the carbon emission, as day by day carbon emission is increasing. So it will help individuals as well as organizations to track the carbon emission produced by their organization or by their households. And after that, it will also provide some basic and suggestions to the users how to control these emissions, or they can reduce these emissions by taking sustainable ways to reduce carbon footprint emissions. It is related to technology or electric or cost saving actions. So these suggestions will be provided by this website. So there is in the nav bar we can see there are 3 pages. One is home page, workflow, and third is tracker section. So in the home page we can see that our home appears, or home of the website appears. In the workflow section there are written steps how to use this carbon footprint tracker website. So steps are given there. We can use this. We can go through this step to effectively use this carbon footprint tracker website. So below after reading this step, there is one button named Start Here, and below this some frequently asked questions are also attached, which helps to effectively browse this website and track carbon emissions. So these questions will really help you and give you insights. So now we will click here on Start Here. It will take us to the tracker page. Tracker page is basically the page which is dedicated to tracking. So in the tracker page we can see a carbon footprint tracker and a beautiful layout of tracker appears. So we are in the starting, we are in welcome section. So here we can select country and state. So this is optional, but I recommend choosing you this. It will give you better tracking data if you choose this country and state. So you can also select date and save it. It completely depends on you. Of course it is optional. And below this you will see 3 A icons, which helps to zoom size of the tracker. It is basically designed to make user appear clear. So you can zoom using this 3 A's at the bottom of the tracker. So in the tracker we can see there are different sections: house sections, flight sections, car sections. So we can track data of carbon emissions based on this, how we emit carbon through these ways. So these are the various mediums through which we emit carbons. So we can here given some boxes, we can write our data as per, and after that we can calculate household print. We can print carbon data individual, or we can go through, we can collectively print. We will go each section and provide all the data in the boxes asked by each sections, and at the end we will reach to the result secondary section. In secondary section we will provide all the data, and at last we will go to the result section, where we can see all the details, how much carbon emissions is done through house, through flights, through cars, motorbike, bus, rails, and secondary. So total emissions in tons will be shown. of carbon emission, total to offset. There is also option called offset, through which we can offset this carbon emissions. So you can go through that if you want. So basically there is one logging and register page. So currently we are working on it, and that's all. It is a very good website which enables users to track carbon emissions and also provide sustainable ways to reduce carbon footprint emissions. Also provide cost saving actions, how we can save by carbon emissions or save our cost